Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, guys, we are doing another move in clean. You guys, when I tell you this is the perfect idea move in clean for any cleaning company or any cleaning service, because it is just absolutely amazing. So let me give you a little details about this home, and then I'll tell you why later in the video why this is the actual perfect move in clean. This is an approximately a 2,100 square feet home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's a split level, as you can tell, but it kind of puts me in the mind of a ranch style home. It's not a large size house, but it's a nice size house, and it's very quaint for like a single. It's kind of like a single family home type situation. So let's go ahead and get started in the video, and I will tell you in certain parts of the video why this is such the perfect move-in clean. Fun fact, when you're using any kind of Comet, you guys, along with the Comet in a disinfectant spray or Clorox bleach or whatever kind of spray bottle that you want to use or spray substance, do not run the water. You do not have to run the water at this point. The only thing you have to do is just make sure that you scrub the surface really, really good, because what happens is by using the Comet and just a little bit of disinfectant spray or whatever kind of spray that you want to use to clean out your tub, it allows you to easily get all the excess gunk up that is has built up, and then once you run the water, it'll be easy for it just rinse off. Water sometimes it makes things a little bit too slippery and slick, so you're not able to really clean it and scrub down those abrasive areas like you want to. But just doing this method, I promise you guys, it makes it a whole lot easier and you'll get better results. Okay, you guys, let's talk about these type of shelves. I see these type of shelves all the time in people's laundry rooms areas. So with that being said, you want to ensure that you clean these laundry shelves properly, because a lot of these shelves have lint in them, they have dust particles in them, and you want your client to be impressed with your cleaning services. So you want to add to the air quality, because once they get ready to use their laundry room area, at least it'll be dust free, and there won't be any kind of lingering particles in the air. Cleaning windowsills. Cleaning the windowsills allows the client to feel as if though once they're hanging up their curtains or their new blinds, if you're cleaning windowsills for them, it adds that extra bit of freshness to the room. I typically like to use Clorox wipes when I'm using windowsills, but this day I didn't have any, so I used my disinfectant spray. But you guys always clean the windowsills when you're doing a move-in clean. It's very, very important. Alright you guys, we have completed the actual move-in clean. So now I just want to identify some areas in which made this the perfect move-in clean. My daughter did assist with this move-in clean. I want to thank her so much for helping. I really truly appreciate her. But the first thing that made this the ideal perfect move-in clean was the flooring. The home was completely furnished with a brand new carpet, meaning that we did not have to do any vacuuming, which was really a plus. The only thing we had to worry about was mopping the bathroom floors, the kitchen floor, and the laundry room floor. The second thing that made this the perfect move-in clean is that we didn't have a whole lot of cleaning to do, meaning that a lot of times there'd be splats on the doors or it'd be splatters on the wall. This home was very, very fine-tuned. They took the opportunity to make sure that there was no kind of stains on the doors, on none of the doors, and the walls were coated with paint, which was actually lovely and really, really nice. Trust me, you guys, I have seen worse. The next thing that made this the perfect move and clean was the bathrooms. The bathrooms were the only thing that we really had to put our elbow grease into, meaning that the bathrooms were not move-in ready, but now they are. This is where we spent most of our time actually doing this project. So now, you know, that makes it ideal and perfect, and I really, really enjoy it. So that was really, really a good thing. The next thing about this clean that made it the perfect ideal clean was the kitchen area. I was truly, truly impressed with how the clients went on ahead and really pretty much cleaned the inside of the cabinets. And all I really had to do was just wipe down the outside of the cabinets. The appliances were already cleaned and in great condition. They did not need any wiping down. They had cleaned out the stove completely. They cleaned out the refrigerator completely. So it was actually the great, great idea move and clean. I really enjoyed doing this cleaning. This was probably like one of the best ones that I've had, because some of them are not as in great condition as this home was. We didn't have to deal with any kind of spiders, spider webs, or any kind of insect problems or anything like that. So this was really, really this was really an ideal, perfect move-in clean for me and my daughter. I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.